Hello, Team Bella, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Miranda Jo, and I am here with my currently page, or my monthly goal page, in my catch-all planner. I am excited to have you here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And here on the Master Plan channel, some of the things that you can expect is positive, positive, positive. We're all about the positive vibes over here. We're styling and profiling our lives, our planners, our body. And last but not least, every once in a while, you'll get a good key. And to my A1s from day one, hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? I hope all is good with you, and I hope all is good for you. So let's jump into this now. I haven't been sharing currentlies on my page. I've been more using my currently as reels on Instagram and TikTok. But this month I wanted to do February as an actual video on my YouTube channel. So if you enjoy the vibe, the keys, make sure that you don't forget to do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. We're jumping right in. So this was my goal sheet for January, and now we're going to plan February. I will tell you that February is a little unique because, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, I have it up here, there's a lot of ghosting from my spread that I did, for the last week of January. All right, so kits that I'm using today is I'm using a printable kit from the Crafty Planner Queen, and it's called Abstract Love. Look at these colors, y'all. And I hope you can see it despite the glare. I printed it on clear paper, so it's kind of shiny, but I'm excited to use it. I also printed a piece on just regular paper. If it doesn't come out, my vision doesn't come out quite right, so that's going to be first and foremost. And I did cut and print that from my silhouettes. All right, then the next thing I have are some quotes. So I don't know if I'm going to use sassy quotes, black quotes, or holiday quotes and boxes, but from Amber Plans Her Day. Bum bum bum. And then last but not least, I have several books from Mojo Jo Plans. I have the orange boxes and more, the pink boxes and more, this black boxes. This is the original one. And then I pulled out black shapes because I realized every month I always use squares. So we are going to get to planning this right away. I will tell you that I'm going to try not to white out too many things, but I certainly want to cover up where all of that ghosting has occurred on the previous page. So we are going to jump in and we're going to get started. Now, one of the things I really liked about this kit is this abstract set. But what I just realized is I'm definitely going to use not only the clear, but I'm going to use this paper, and I'm going to kind of tear it because I want the corner to be torn. That's what I wanted to present. So I'm just tearing this paper like so, like that. Okay, and I have that little piece off, but I want it to go more zigzaggedy. Okay, let's see. Can I put that there? I don't want it perfect. Okay, I feel like that's a good start. Okay, and I do want, so that's part of it. And then I'm going to use the other part and I'm going to grab my adhesive, and we are going to glue it, baby. Glue it down here in the corner. We will put this piece in. Oh, I like how this looks this way. And we'll cut it off and make it all nice and pretty. And I'm going to use my this adhesive pen. I think it'll work just fine. I wonder if I should bring this further up. I don't want to cover up the February, but I do want to cover up where it says priorities. Let me grab my white out. All right. So we have our white out here, and we'll cover those up. All right. So let's get to gluing, shall we? And I'm just going to just put this little glue up here like so, like that, and then this way so that it sticks and stays. And I think I do want to go with putting it more up in this corner. And it's okay if it covers February, because I think I'm gonna break out my dates sticker book and clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to get these scissors and I'm going to cut off where it's hanging off on the paper right there. And these scissors are so little, but they're so cute. All right, perfect. Let's see how that's looking. I'll tell you too, I am going to be using washi tape, black grid washi tape on this spread as well. Okay, so then our next piece, I'm pretty sure this is not it. I don't know where. I flung it somewhere. We'll get that in a minute. Let's see if I can go ahead and grab a February, the month of February dates from the dated sticker book. I think that will work. Well, we can do that in a minute. Let's start. Let's come here. And I also want to do this. So here, I'm using this black grid washi. So we're going to just use that. We're going to tear it. And we're going to set it up. So are you guys currently decorating this page? I know a lot of people like the currently, but I didn't particularly care for the currently. So that's why I totally do not use it. I like to set my goals, give myself SMART goals. So it's, you know, it's not too many goals. They're definitely obtainable, measurable, and all of that. And so this month I have, I know what categories I'd like to start those goals in. So yes, this beautiful doll sticker, she is so pretty. And so we definitely have to have her on the page. And I'm going to put her right here. Is she not so pretty? I love her hair, you know, and everything about her. I am totally feeling. All right, so let's get this dated February and let's see if I can get it to cover what's there, which I think it will. Let's see. Yeah, I'm loving that. Okay. Yeah. That's looking good. Okay. All right, all right, all right. We're getting somewhere. I think I can frame that. Let's get a sassy quote for the month and put it here. I think that will work. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know why I want a sassy quote. Let's see if we can put a positive quote. We don't want to be sassy for the whole month. I like this, don't give up. We're going to put that there. That is going to be definitely what we have here. Don't give up. All right, I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? All right, now I am going to be grabbing my the shapes, and I'm going to use the shapes. I was thinking about the hexagons. Black. I normally have 3 goals, so we're gonna keep on with that. So we're gonna put one here, okay, and we're gonna put one right here. All right, and I think we'll put the third one right here. Okay. Now, I want to definitely, so this orange box, this orange book does have the color orange sticker that I want. So we're going to use these stickers as headers. So I think definitely layering, or maybe even just doing it like so, like that. Okay. And we're going to do a And we're going to do 2 shades of pink. We're going to do a pale pink and we're going to do like a Pepto pink. So that we bring in all the colors that we have. So I'm going to put this one, layer this one down here. Okay, now that little darker pink that I want to use, or maybe I should go with a little lighter pink. I think I'm going to go with a little lighter pink. We're going to put it up top right here, like so, like this. Okay. All right, so I'm feeling that in terms of bringing our colors in. I am going to add, I'm going to layer this down here. I'm going to tear it and then layer it. You know, planner girls are obsessed with tearing things, but aesthetically it looks so nice on spreads and things like that. So I understand it. I do it. So definitely not judging anyone who's obsessed with putting torn things on their spreads. All right. So there is, oh, she's pretty too. I'm going to put her down at the bottom. Oh, she's so pretty. Let's see if she fits there. She may not fit there. Okay, let's see. Maybe we'll put her here. Yeah, let's move this over a little bit. All right. But I do like this XOXOXO as well. So we're probably going to have to figure out what's going to be more important to us. Do we want to put the XOXO there? Because I'm feeling XOXO. I'm feeling XOXO. I am. And as a matter of fact, I think it looks kind of cool like that. And then I can just punch it. All right. And then maybe we can fussy cut her out and then put her there. That is what I'm going to do. And so I'm cool with this coming over into that area. Okay. I'm about to cut her out because I love her and she's so pretty. All right. So what I'm doing off camera is I am just fussy cutting this sticker. She is clear. So I want to make sure that I do her justice as I'm cutting her off of the rest of this sticker. Yes, she is a queen. She's beautiful. All right. And there's a heart there. I'm also going to fussy cut that heart out. I think it will look so good if I did it that way. So you guys tell me what you think. This is definitely very different for me and out of my comfort zone, but I'm feeling it. I just love the way everything is looking. And the colors, y'all know I'm all about something that's a non-traditional colors. I've expressed that for the fall, the winter. So anything non-traditional, I'm definitely here for those colors. And this is no different. Because everybody is doing, I assure you, everybody's doing pink and red and burgundies for this time of year. Yes, I think that this was a great idea to cut her out. Oh yeah, she looks good. Now one more I'm going to fussy cut is this. There's a heart and I want to put the heart right there. So I'm going to fussy cut this heart out as well. And we're going to put that abstract heart to work. Oh yes, I'm loving this. So what do you guys have planned for your Currently page? If you're using a Currently page, have you picked out your sticker kits and what you're planning on using? Like, what does that look like? And y'all, I love this. I love it. Yes. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm about to bring in other elements of this because I think it's so pretty. All right, so we are not going to lay this down. We're going to pick this up and put it underneath there. Yeah. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. All right. Yeah. I feel like if we had a quote right there, it would be nice. So I'm going to find a quote, and I'm probably going to have to cut it so that it fits the way that I want it to fit. I like this one. Breakdowns create breakthrough. I think this will fit here. Yes. All right. And we need to put another little piece of something there. So I do have, of course, I can cut out another piece of this abstract here to kind of go over there in that area. Y'all, this kit is everything. It is so cute. And I am here for all of it. And I like that I can just lay it because I printed it on clear paper, and you can still see. You can still see through it. I'm going to grab this piece of washi tape because I don't hardly have any of the black washi tape on the page. And so let's lay that down. And let's cut off the area that's hanging over. Like, I had no idea how this was going to look. I've never done a spread like this. But I can tell you right now, I love this. I love this. Is anything missing? Do you guys think like I should put maybe a piece of another little piece of washi tape up in this area? Yeah. So we can kind of frame out our little babe there. I'm good. I love this. This is so cute. It's so different. The Abstract Heart or Abstract Love kit by the Crafty Planner Queen is definitely where it is at for this month. Now I can just go in and I'll fill it in, and I'll show you my after the pen probably in the next video, but I can tell you that my goals are fitness, finance, and faith this month. So those will be the categories. Well, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, bella.